Let me introduce myself. My name is Ripka Agnesmardiningrum, and with name 222045. And I'm giving you recommendation for medicine and vitamin. Currently, it is the cold and cold season. The right medicine to relieve cold and cold is Indonal Forte, like this, Indonal Forte. With the composition is paracetamol for fever and dizziness, and then phenylpropanolamin HCl to reduce flu, dextroamphetamine maleate for antihistamine, and dextromethorphan for dry cough, and the last guaifenesin to relieve phenil cough, and can be taken 3 times a day after meals. If accompanied by a sore throat, or commonly called sore throat, you can use methylprednisolone like this. Methylprednisolone 4 mg, and you take it 3 times a day after meals. Need to be added vitamin D3 2000 to help increase immunity, so that the recovery process is faster and maintain the body resistant, so that it is not easily sick. Vitamin D. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you. Always be healthy.